All right, if IKEA sold cars, this might be what happens before you get behind the wheel. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can get my newsletter for free. This Swedish-made electric mini car is a lightweight two-seater that comes disassembled and delivered in flat boxes. The flat pack ships straight to localized plants or microfactories for assembly by workers there. By the time it lands on your doorstep, your Luvly O is ready to hit the road. Let's do the numbers on this mini EV called the Luvly O. It's just 8.8 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 4.7 feet tall. The car is also under 880 pounds, which is a quarter of the weight of a typical electric car. Due to its feather-light weight, with its electric motor, you can zip around town for up to 62 miles with a top speed of 56 miles an hour on one single charge. Now, how'd they do this? The O mini car is made of a special combination of padded aluminum and plastic foam designed to absorb impact and keep you safer in a collision. The Luvly mobile app lets you control things like GPS location, the battery status, and the door locks. Now, with a starting price of around 11 grand, the Luvly O is targeting anyone looking for a budget-friendly, eco-conscious vehicle for city driving. If you want more crazy cool tech like this, head to cyberguy.com. Be sure to sign up for my newsletter and comment below.